She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
So everything is quite ready, and so am I. I don't know how things are going to end up for this video. I will quickly take a shower and then we will get into whatever I'm trying to do. Good luck, Koyel. Seriously not prepared for this. I just wanted to do something for the first time which is not planned. I'm just done for this week. This week was extreme. So today you will get a makeup tutorial video from someone who does not understand makeup. It is very artistic. I respect those who can do it, and it is no parody. It's just me trying to do makeup after watching all the other makeup videos who were way too good with it, and I am nowhere near to them. So let's see what I have learned from watching, observing people, and how well I can do with it. I do have some makeup stuff with me, but not much, and my sister has some. I will be using hers, and those are not branded, and I know how much that will kill my skin today. I just came out from the shower, that is why I look very dry, and then I will give myself a makeover with them. We will begin with the first step, which is moisturize. Yes, so first Kama Ayurveda, I don't know which one. Yes, now that we are done with our moisturizer, I will apply matte poreless Fit Me foundation. I kind of like this because it is normal to oily, and it has saved me some time because I have not had that many days where I actually applied any makeup. So moving on to the next step, that is, what is it? I think eyes. They go for eyes. I don't have anything to do with my eyes, but I have this nude lipstick. Nothing to mix, so I will use my fingertips. Fingers can do wonders, you know, not in a wrong way. So I don't know if it did anything. Now it feels much better actually. I can see more clearly. So this is I think good for kids, you know, to play around, but I will be applying this it's a kid's thing, and it's weird that I'm going to apply it. And I'm very sure this won't be visible on the camera because it's not real makeup and it's patty. And I'm not sure what I'm doing. So yes, do whatever feels right now, and you can regret later. My eyes kind of look like someone punched me in the face. So my camera stand decided to, just throw my phone. So now I will have to do it with my hands. Such a useless stuff. Just like me. So it kind of looks very pink. I don't know if that is what I was trying to do, but that is what I have now. Now, moving on. What do I have? What can I apply? How can I ruin it more? You will find out soon. Very soon. So, it looks like I've done something, but it looks so pointless of doing what I have done to myself. I have seen this, people apply something here, so I'm tired. And now that I am done with this much, I will now go. I will use this lipstick which I have used earlier as well, but I have never done my cheeks, so let's try. It's all about trying, right? You can tell that nothing has happened on my cheeks. It doesn't look like I have applied anything at all. Fail. That was a fail, totally. So I have already done one of my eyes, and I am doing it this side. I love eyeliner, I just love it. Now I will do the mascara thing. My mascara is done. I don't know if you can tell any difference because I don't feel my eyes look any different after applying mascara. And and I kind of also unconsciously do this, like open my eyes wide because it is like someone will notice that I have done something. Just the feeling that yes, I know makeup. So now all we are left with is, I think, the lips. So I'm confused between two of the colors. One is this and one is this red. It's very bright red. And one is this. I don't know. I guess I will be applying this because I use the red mostly when I'm wearing something traditional. It goes with it. I feel my sister is much better at this, you know. She knows what she's doing when she's doing it. Okay. I chose a very weird lip color for this. I mean, it's a yellow shirt. So I don't think it completely goes with the look, but okay. The hairband kind of ruined my hair. Oh, I forgot. I have seen doing this, you know. Nothing's visible. Okay, next time I will get makeup for myself, you know, real makeup. Where else do they apply? I cannot remember. Yeah, so it's kind of done, my makeup, and I don't feel like I will be doing anything else. So here it is. I don't know if you can tell any difference because at least I cannot. So yes, my neighborhood is very noisy, which is why I could not record any of the thing that I talked about throughout the video while I was doing my pointless makeup, which can, I mean, tell no difference. I mean, it's just my regular face. I mean, no, you cannot tell any difference. So that was about it. The point of this whole video was to have fun, and which I had. I hope you had fun watching this. That's it. And why am I recording it with my hands is because my tripod again decided to ditch me and throw away the phone. So my hand came handy this time. I guess we are done for this video. And also, if you found something helpful in this whole Jugadu makeup tutorial thing, then I am glad I could help. You know, of course I do not have any actual makeup, but next time I will make sure I have some makeup and I will learn it and I will give you a real tutorial someday. So that is it for now, and and I will take a leave now. Bye and take care.